Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this week's Genos PSR, CVP, and Tyros Song of the Week and Buttons class. Now we're going to get right into this song, Downtown, and we're going to have some unique setup features on this, so whether you're a fan of the song or not, it's good to watch the video so you can get the most out of your Genos. I'll be doing something different here that I've never done before, so you'll learn a little bit about that. So let's real quick get to the music and take a look at Downtown. Okay, so you're going to see on the rotary assignable button, we're going to set that to fade in and out, and you're going to see this during the setup. And on your second pedal, you're going to put fill up there, and you're going to see why when I get into the settings and do the chord changes here. On Genos, it's Pop Bossa Nova Tempo 115. On the Tyros, Pop Bossa 1 Tempo 115. If you're in the book bundle on Genos, we're Bank 13 Registration 1. On the PSR-SX900, we're on Bank 16 Registration 1. And this one's coming out of book bundle 2. Remember to hold the red notes down to get to the next chords, and you're going to see why I have this pedal 2 on fill up so that your hands can stay free while you change your variations. Now I'm going to hit direct access and touch my small pedal, and you can see here it says fill up. Now you can find that under the style on page 3 in your Genos, and basically what that's going to do is it'll change variations going up to leave my hands free, because my hands are going to be a little busy playing this song. And on my rotary assignable, you see there's fade in and out there, and you'll find that under style as well, so you'll see that that's there too. Now we'll go to variation B. C and D is what we're using here. So on variation B, OTS 2, we've got a cocktail grand there, and I've got the volume at 100. On OTS 2, you can see scat, jazz scat, dwee, flugelhorn, and warm pop horns, and the volume there is 100, 80, and 100. On OTS 4, alto sax, sax section, and tenor sax. Now, on OTS 2, we don't have any harmony on there on the right hand, neither on 3, but on 4 we do. And let's hit direct access here and harmony. You can see I have this on standard duet, and if you go here, I have it on right 2. So that second sound is the sax section, is what I'm using my duet harmony on. Okay, now I'll be sending out the style Downtown to everyone who has the Genos or the PSR-SX900 and the Bank. You can see we're on intro 3, variation B here. And we'll get right into the song now so you can see what it sounds like. Now you'll notice when I'm playing, I'm not going to be changing variations with my left hand. I'm going to be changing them with my small pedal. I will be going there at the end of the song, so you can just pay attention as I go along here. So let's take a listen to Downtown. So there you go, with a little downtown and not using my hands to bring up my variations because my hands were quite busy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. It is a little tough using that pedal until you get used to it versus using your left hand to change variations there. But with everything that's going on, it's a lot better. Next week we're doing bundle 3, of course, and we're doing a little Irish. We're doing When Irish Eyes Are Smiling, and the week after that I have just a great song already picked out and ready to go. Remember, you can purchase the individual sheets now on our book bundles page, or you can purchase your bundles there, or anything that you want to do. Also, go to our video lesson room. That's where all the videos are that you want to look for when you're looking at what to do and how to do things on your Genos or PSR. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com saying have a great day, keep playing, and see you real soon.